Good morning, students. Now, last year we did 13.1. Again, we will try to complete this exercise this week. In 13.1, we have done question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. Now, today we will try to complete the remaining sums of 13.1. So, we are starting from question number 5. Now, look at the book for question number 5. It is written there. A cubical box has each is 10 centimeter. एक बॉक्स है जिसका शेप जो है that is a cube. I have written here box. The shape of this box is cubical. In this cubical box, the edge of means you know very well. In cube we are denoting, we are using the symbol A for each length. So edge is equal to E is equal to 10 centimeter. Next it is written there, and another box, another cuboidal box, एक दूसरा बॉक्स है जिसकी शेप जो है that is a cuboid, in which has the length 12.5, 10 centimeter wide and 8 meter high, 8 centimeter high. If you see the given, all the given are in centimeter, so no need to change any unit. Again I am repeating the sum. दो बॉक्स हैं, एक का शेप कैसा है क्यूब है, दूसरे का शेप कैसा है क्यूबॉइड है. क्यूबिकल बॉक्स का एक लेंथ दी गई है, ये एक साइड दी गई है. अदरवाइज यू कैन से ईच एज इज गिवन टू यू. इन क्यूबॉइडल बॉक्स द लेंथ ऑफ द बॉक्स इज गिवन टू यू, द विड्थ ऑफ द बॉक्स इज गिवन टू यू and the height of the box is given to you. Now come to the question. This question has two options. In option 1 it is written there, which box has greater lateral surface area. आपको इन दोनों का पहले सबसे पहले what you will do, first you will calculate the lateral surface area, then you compare and find out who is having greater lateral surface area and by how much. For that, first option, you know the formula of LSA of a cubical box. What is the formula? 4a square is equal to 4 into 10 square is equal to 4 into 100 is equal to 400 centimeter square. Clear? Same you will do for cuboidal box. Now LSA of cuboidal box is equal to, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B into H is equal to 12.5 plus 10 into 8. Now multiply करेंगे. 2 into 22.5 into 8. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Now whatever is the answer you are getting from this, you have to calculate. How you will do? You can, I will show you one more time. Is equal to 2 into 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 20, 18 2s are 16 plus 2 20, 200. Again I am repeating. So this is I made a mistake. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 4 20, 2 carry, 8 2 is 16, 17 18, 180 is equal to 18 2s are 36, 360 centimeter square. Now you can compare both. Who is having greater cubical? Therefore, LSA of cubical box is greater than LSA of cuboidal box. And difference is equal to how much? 400 minus 360 is equal to 40 centimeter square. So this is the answer for the first option. Now come and see the second option. In second option, I will not solve, only I will give you the hint. जैसे हमने फर्स्ट किया है वैसे सेकंड करेंगे। विच बॉक्स हैज स्मॉलर टोटल सरफेस एरिया, यहाँ पे हमने LS से लेटर सरफेस एरिया किया था। सेकेंड ऑप्शन में यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट टोटल सरफेस एरिया। सेम हम करेंगे TSA। किसका करना है, सबसे पहले हम क्यूबॉइड का करेंगे, क्यूबिकल, दैट इज 6a स्क्वायर। कैलकुलेट एंड राइट इट डाउन द आंसर। सिमिलरली सेकेंड स्टेप पे आप किसका करेंगे, क्यूबॉइडल का। क्यूबॉइडल बॉक्स इज इक्वल टू 2 into LB plus BH plus HL। You have to calculate. And then compare both. After comparing both, the whatever last two options I written there, same way you will do. But difference क्या होगा, instead of greater than you will use a less than symbol. Okay? By mistake I think it will come near about 610 and it will come around 600. So this is having lesser. Therefore, TSA of cubical box is lesser than TSA of cuboidal box. And the difference you will calculate, you will get the answer. So this is the solution of question number 5.